We want to differentiate, first of all, y equals e to the 3x. Now we know if y is equal to e to the x, then the differential is e to the x. The exponential part of the function doesn't change. We also discussed that when y is equal to e to the kx, where k is a constant, that dy dx would be ke to the kx. And I mentioned that this is something called the chain rule, which you'll learn later on. So for e to the 3x, dy dx is just going to be 3e to the 3x. And for y equals e to the negative 2x, dy dx is going to be negative 2e to the negative 2x. And for this one here, when the 7 comes down, it will multiply the 5, so we'll get 35e to the 7x.